What's up, guys? Welcome back to Not Your Average Vegan. If you guys want to see how I made this delicious vegan French toast, stay tuned for the video. So jumping right into this video, we're going to get started with our batter. And you guys, I finally tried just egg, and I definitely have to give this 5 stars. I haven't found anything that's pretty comparable to an egg as far as the way it cooks up or as far as the way it tastes, so I definitely recommend trying this product out. So here I'm just measuring out the egg. Be sure to check the description box for the exact measurement of all ingredients used in each and every video that I post. Next, I'm going to mix in some almond milk. And you guys, you can use oat milk or cashew milk, whatever milk of choice that you prefer. Go ahead and use that. I just prefer to use almond milk. That is what I like in my household. So after adding your milk, you want to go ahead and season your batter. Today I'm going to be using salt, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and also some vanilla extract. And guys, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want to keep up of what I eat on a day-to-day basis, please go and follow me on Instagram at notyour_average_vegan, where I post dishes that I cook on a daily basis. And I will also drop the link to my Instagram in the description box. So after getting all the ingredients to the bowl, you want to whisk it up really good to get that cinnamon and everything else combined within the egg. And once it looks something like this, your batter is ready. So next I'm just going to be adding some vegan butter into a pan that I have on medium low. I did find some vegan brioche bread in Whole Foods, so I definitely say check Whole Foods out for that. Just going to start by dipping the bread into the batter and making sure each side is evenly coated, and then we're going to place that into the pan and let it cook. A few tips to getting the perfect French toast is you don't want to flip it too early. So you want to give your pan a shake, and if the French toast does not move off your pan, that means it is not ready to flip. And if you flip it before it shakes off the pan, then you're going to get French toast stuck to your pan. At this point, you just want to continue to cook your French toast until you run out of bread or batter, whichever one happens first. And be sure to check the temperature of your pan every now and then, because if it's too heated, it will burn your French toast. Once finished cooking, I dressed my French toast with some more vegan butter, some blueberries and strawberries, and some syrup as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.